Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you my pet's favorite good for you treat. These ZenBites 12-in-1 multivitamin are such a huge hit in our house. My dogs absolutely love not only the taste, but the texture of these. When they see this orange jar, I'm telling you, they come run in for a good treat. But what I like is I know that I'm giving them something that is going to support their health. And they have this nice kind of soft, meaty texture that they love. Apparently they love the flavor because, like I said, they come running for them. So while I'm giving them what they consider just a treat for being good or rewarding them, I know that I'm giving them something that is going to be good for them all over. It's got so many vitamins in it. It's got probiotics, it's got glucosamine, all these things that they need for skin, their coat, their joints, everything. And I love that they itch a little less and they just overall seem to feel better. And whatever breed you have, this is good for any dog, whether large, small. As you can see, I give them to my inside dogs as well as my outside. And just overall, I've noticed them feeling better. So if you're like me and you have multiple dogs that you want to give love and treats to, but also make sure they have their nutrition, I highly recommend these 12-in-1 ZenBites. But that is just my point of view.